How do we go about building a basic query? First, I'll select an empty query, then I'll select the Build a New Query icon on the toolbar. This will open the Query Builder dialog box. The Query Builder opens with the Tables and Fields page displayed. Here, we choose the tables we wish to query. When I select the postplot table, the Fields dialog box will then display all the fields that are available in the postplot table. If I choose none of the fields, then all of them will be displayed in the query. Or I can choose just those fields I'd like to see in my query. Next, I will click on the Criteria tab to open the Criteria page. This is where I build logical statements to display only certain data. Since I've chosen the postplot table, I can use any one of the postplot table's fields to build a query. I will now build a query to display only those records that have a PDOP value greater than 3. First, I will select the PDOP field from the field name drop-down list. PDOP values are numeric, so the operators that are available change accordingly. Because this is the first statement in the query, it does not matter whether I click the AND or the OR button to start building my query. At the bottom of the page, depending on the type of field currently selected, there are various helpers that are available to help the user build a query. If I click on the Count Only icon, I can see that 10 records meet the existing query. Now I will give this query a name and copy it to query position number 30. In the Query Syntax panel, we can now view our new query. If I click on the small box just to the right of the query title, I can view all the records that meet the current query. If I click on the small box to the very right in the Queries panel, I will get a count of the records that meet the current query.